Oh my God. Very refreshing. Good. Hello, gorgeous. Hi,
Okay, I'm coming
sweetie.
now.
Look at this. So we have some orange and carrots. Oh, have beetroots, and we have tons of green. Celery, green apple, ginger, kale, and of course cucumber. Now let's start just saying. So it's tight. Okay. Is it on? Ooh, it is working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Ooh. Oh, okay. Let me give it a pop out. You guys see? Okay. We are on it. Honey, will you drink? That is popping out. It's just in process. It's popping out. So here we have some green apples, some kale, celery, cucumber, and ginger. This is our second batch. Keep on watching, guys. Don't forget that you can get this juicer in my Amazon storefront. It is currently selling at 67% off. You don't want to miss this sale. Grab your own right now. Click the link in my description box to take you straight to my Amazon storefront. Go ahead and support your girl, okay? Thank you so much. Let's keep juicing. If you've not liked this video, this is the time to like it right now. Leave a beautiful comment, share, and of course, join our family if you've not. I appreciate your support. 100%, guys. 100%. And now we're going to finish off with some beetroot and ginger. Oh God, I can't wait. Look at that. Pineapple. Oh God, this thing. Respect one on what you found. Oh my God. Very refreshing. Good. Oh my goodness. Are you going to be trying them? Look at them there. Guys, I recommend this juicing machine 100%. It will not completely strip you away of your fiber. There is still tons of fiber contains in the juice. You can only find out when you try this juicing machine. Get it right now. And from my Amazon storefront, it is selling at 67% off. You don't want to miss it out, okay? Our juicing is completed. Our set. Look at them. Looking so beautiful, guys. Oh, I'm so grateful that I'm able to finish this. Yeah. So here we have carrot and orange with ginger. And here all different kinds of greens you guys see. The cucumbers, the celery, the green apple, ginger, and kale. And here we have some tangerine and pineapple, and of course here beetroot and ginger. And just like that, we have completed our juicing process. Yeah.